Hello there, BoBo the Bitcoiner is back. Today, let's discuss a little bit about some altcoins. Some of these altcoins can make you a few thousand% of returns. In this Chinese New Year, I have a chance to meet up with some of the Generation Z and Millennium, aged between 20 to 40 years old. Most have invested a little bit on Bitcoin, all right, but many are into the other blue chip altcoin like Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Polygon, Avalanche, Mana, Sand, even Dogecoin. In general, these groups are either financially constrained or otherwise financially obligated to commitment already. They have not too many money to spare. So they prefer to venture into blue chips altcoin, expecting faster return with a smaller capital. Well, they are not wrong, you know. The only question is, which coin? Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency that went through super quick return also in the early days. From nothing in 2009, it returns almost 100 times in 2011, and then another 100 times in 2013, and another 200 times in 2017, before plateau to 2 times currently. Bitcoin have a difficult time head start because it was completely a new crypto. But the surge thereafter is amazing once market recognize what is Bitcoin. The Bitcoin platforms has been established now, all right, allowing Ethereum to grow by adding in features like smart contract. Ethereum similarly has went through its multiple returns. Launched in 2015, it reaches $1,000 in 2.5 years later. Today is about three times more maybe. The smart contract gave birth to thousands of altcoins, from ICO to DeFi, NFT, and now Mechabust. All the other platforms start to build smart contract faster and cheaper transaction than Ethereum. So they have a lot of competitions. The 20 to 40 years old generation capture this momentum. Those who put in time and countless effort to research and study the new coin thoroughly and understand it well, they are indeed well rewarded. All right. When I say research, I mean vigorously understanding the new coin before investing. Unfortunately, many are just hearsay. My friend said this coin is good, or that coin is coming, or Elon Musk said Dogecoin is good. They follow where the wind blows. Well, if you are lucky, you can catch a wind, but in most cases, you may be blown away. There are few winners, but a lot of losers. So the lesson learned here is, you want to invest in other altcoin? Can. Dive deep into it. Understand thoroughly and perfectly what this new coin is all about. Who are the people behind it? The structure. Is the coin an added value to the existing competitive coin? Who is their competitor? Its support and adoption level, etc. There are many to consider actually. But once you've done your homework well, it can be rewarding. A few examples. Let me give you. Cent coin is a Mechabust coin from Sandbox. I think most of you should have heard it by now. Was only out in the 2nd of February 2021 last year, 1 year. When it's out, it was 8 cents or 8.26 cents. Now, $4. 8 cents, $4. Now, how much multiplication is that? All right, Matic Polygon is a L2 Ethereum coin. Was out in what? April 2021, even more new. And at that time, 0.001 cent. Not even 1 cent, 0.001 cent. No? $2.62. Solana, a level 2 or level 1 Ethereum coin, was out in April 2020, right, at 7 cents. Now, $110. See the multiplication, see the returns there, very attractive. For this coin, the huge multipliers are over, my friend. It may still grow, but chances of such high multiplications are over. Game over. All right. So my advice to Bitcoiner, want to catch the next up and coming coins with hundreds, if not thousands, or multiple. Pick 1 to 3 new prospective coins and dive deep into it. There's no other way except to put in enormous effort of research. Burn midnight oils. Time and energy must be spent. That's the only resources to gain insight into this new prospective coin. Hard work, my friend, but good money if you put in enough effort. I do not regret not looking into those altcoins. Spending time and energy on Bitcoin is rewarding enough for me, since I already identified the sure horse. All right, and more importantly, this horse is young, with potential to win many more races. All right, we still have time for Bitcoin. There are still a lot to learn about Bitcoin. I don't even see any competitor closing in. Rather, I see Bitcoin adoption growing from currently 2% globally Think about it, my friend. Just 2% now, and it's still growing every day. 2 to 100% is a massive opportunity. Think the other way around. 98% opportunity. And I don't want to miss that. I don't want to spend time on the altcoins. I'd rather just concentrate on Bitcoin. So remember, we already have a sure we are not talking about taking chances, all right, or picking the right horse. We already have a sure horse. It's already BoBo no? Why am I so confident about it? Just 3 important points. 1, Bitcoin is the only truly, remember the word truly, decentralized blockchain where nobody or even a group of influencers can make changes. 2, proof of work. the only secure way of authenticating a transaction. Most altcoins now are moving to proof of stake, right, including Ethereum, meaning a group of high staker means high holder of Ethereum, can influence the decision. Dangerous. 3. Trust. The only crypto that is 100% trusted in the crypto ecosystem with the longest history. So long history, 13 years, and it's trusted. You know, look at all the new coin, short history, a lot of shaky. This bug here, that bug here. People take advantage because of the upgrade. There's a loop. Smart programmer try to take advantage, and you know this happens too often. Never Bitcoin. 100% trusted until now. All right. You name any stage within the transaction system that Bitcoin is not the best. Everything is best in Bitcoin, except for not being the fastest and the cheapest among the cryptos, but definitely the most stable and secure. That is why Bitcoin leave it to the layer 2 or level 3, even the off-chain platform to circumvent its speed and fee. The smartest strategy of Bitcoin is not to touch its level 1 fundamental, which has proven to work perfectly fine after 13 years. Trust. Altcoins are fundamentally technology perfect projects tied to financial projects and services. Bitcoin is fundamentally and primarily tied to money. So my friend, there are two directions you can take. The riskier one, bet on the winning horse. Study and the up and coming prospective altcoin. Understand thoroughly and bet on it. It's always the early birds that catch the most worms. You can be handsomely rewarded. If not, you lose some. All right. The safest bet, or the safer bet, go on the winning horse lah. The horse already outpaced its closest competitor by miles. Right? No competitor can smell. Bitcoin don't have to rush, just slow and steady, and it will win the race. All right? And the price is growing by the day. When we finally reach there, it can be astonishing, I tell you. For those who has capital, take the safer bet. Bitcoin is definitely here to stay. All other altcoins may come and go. You can also be replaced, or they can also be replaced with better or improved altcoins. But Bitcoin will never be replaced. We are yet to see any competitor coming close. Cannot smell. So if you have studied Bitcoin thoroughly as I do, you will understand what I'm saying. Okay? Open the mind a little bit. Altcoin attractive, plenty of punch that wow, $1 can come back $1,000. Which one? Don't just listen. Study every altcoin or every new coin that is an opportunity. All right, but there are few hundred every day. There are new coin. Which one they're going to study? All right. Okay, pick a few. Do a thorough study. You may end up with one. Me, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. That's all. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. See you next time. Bye bye.